If you are wondering how long does the battery last on the Xiaomi 17T, then let me quickly answer the question for you. Of course, the realistic time that you can get out of the battery on this phone depends on what you do with your phone, what features you have enabled, and how often you use your phone. But generally speaking, if we consider a typical average day-to-day usage of the phone, then you should be able to use your phone for approximately 17 hours and 15 minutes. And if you just want to, for example, make calls on this phone, then the battery is going to last almost 31 hours. If you want to browse the web on this phone, then the battery is going to last for 16 hours and 50 minutes. If you want to watch videos on this phone, then the battery should last for approximately 21 hours and 20 minutes. And if you want to play games from 100% to 0% of the battery, then the battery should last for approximately 10 hours and 15 minutes. Of course, realistically, like I said, this time is going to be different. In fact, for every user of every smartphone, the battery time is different because everyone uses their smartphone in different ways. And of course, we have different features enabled which have impact on the battery life and so on and so forth. But like I said, if we consider an average, then this is how it looks like for this Xiaomi 17T. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.